Here I have REALME C25Y, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display section, and then to the wallpaper. You can select one of the live wallpapers, one of the pre-installed on-device wallpapers, or you can just select any other photo from your gallery, which you can download from the internet or just take a photo with your camera. Let's select one of the pre-installed wallpapers. Could be this one. And then tap here. Then select if you want to set it on the home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And wallpaper will change. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.